The Election Commission of India (ECI) has announced a special summary revision (SSR) for the electoral roll for the 49th Tadubi ST Assembly Constituency in Manipur. The qualifying date for eligibility is January 1, 2026. Following ECI directives, the Chief Electoral Office CEO of Manipur announced the schedule on Saturday under Section 21 of the Representation of the People's Act 1950. According to ECI, the integrated draft electoral roll will be published on February 9. Claims and objections can be filed until February 25. Disposal of claims and objections will be completed by March 6. And a final publication of electoral roll is scheduled for March 10. It said that the revision aims to ensure that every eligible Indian citizen, those aged 18 years and above as of January 1 of 2026, who reside in the constituency and these people are not disqualified under the law. The CEO of Manipur, along with district election officers, DOs, and electoral registration officer, ERO, will oversee the entire process to ensure accuracy and compliance. The final publication of the rolls will be preceded by a press note and public advertisements to enhance transparency and encourage participation. It may be mentioned that 49th Tadubi Assembly Constituency in Manipur's Senapati district has been vacant since the death of National People's Party representative N. Kaisi on January 18 of 2025 due to an illness. The SSR process is a critical step towards holding the by-election.